We've got,
Go
a
ahead.
quick call from Sherry. Let's get Sherry involved in the program. Sherry, we understand you may have been in a car accident sometime recently.
Yes, I was in a car accident. The person that hit my vehicle that's at fault did not have any insurance. So, and also provided the police officers with the incorrect telephone number. So I wanted to know if filing a civil suit against this individual was that the best avenue to take.
Yeah, Sherry. So you're lucky in that South Carolina actually makes it mandatory for you to purchase what's called uninsured motorist coverage. Uninsured motorist coverage is insurance that you buy whenever you actually get insurance on your own car, and it's the only opportunity that you have to protect yourself from this exact event. So the state of South Carolina has looked out for you. They made you get car insurance, and when they did, they made you get uninsured motorist coverage. And what happens is your coverage jumps immediately to that car, and you're actually able to file suit against that person, but the company that's going to pay is going to be your own insurance company. Now, I know what your next question is that going to make my premiums go up? And I can't tell you one way or the other 100% whether that'll make your premiums go up, except in the case of Progressive. Progressive, you'll get a 16% raise on average of your premiums if you make a claim on your uninsured. I think it's bad business, and I think that,
How much of an increase?
16.
Whew.
So Sherry, you have access to the mandatory minimum in the state of South Carolina, which is $25,000 if you were insured at the time of this accident, or to whatever the policy limits are for your vehicle.
Sherry, do you think you have uninsured insurance, and would that cover damages and such?
Well, I had liability on my vehicle because it was an older vehicle. So my insurance company is telling me that because I only had liability, that they will not cover the loss of my vehicle. They will only cover if I was at fault.
Okay, Sherry, I'm sorry. I saw this call's coming from South Carolina. I had made the assumption that you live in South Carolina.
Yes, that's correct. South Carolina.
When you purchased this insurance in South Carolina?
Yeah, yes.
Okay.
I had an insurance company, a liability on my vehicle.
Yep. So I'm going to need to speak with you after this, okay? Because if they issued you a policy out of South Carolina on a vehicle registered in South Carolina, whether or not they have on that vehicle or not, on that policy or not, that insurance is going to be made available to you by the state of South Carolina.
So you got some protection. And I always tell people the person that's most likely to hit you or cause a wreck are people without insurance. They've had a driving record and they've lost their coverage.